Good day. I greet you again. I thank you very much for tuning into this channel. We are Currency Market Execution. We are going to be completing our series and we are going to be covering symmetrical triangles. My name is Proqnosiz. I also go by the name Mohamud, so you can simply call me Alpha Wolf of Forex. I am tuned in to you and coming to you through Currency Market Execution, your channel with the difference, where we cover everything to do with Forex market, everything to do with trading, where we give you free strategy, free stuff, and free giveaways all the time. Do not forget to check out the description for today's giveaway in this video. Before wasting any more time, let us dig into today's topic. Okay, you are still tuned in to Currency Market Execution, your channel with the difference, leaders in Forex trading and education. Today we are covering symmetrical triangle patterns. We're going to be looking at all different ways and we're going to go deep into this pattern so that you can be profitable. So if you missed the previous videos or some of the information, please do check out the previous videos which are in the description. If you still did not yet subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. So what is a symmetrical triangle? A symmetrical triangle is a chart formation where the slope of the price's highs and the slope of the price's lows converge together to a point where it looks like a triangle. We're still going to look at it. So how does it look like? It have this type of shape right here. Previously we looked at the ascending triangle and we looked at the descending triangle. This is our symmetrical triangle that you're going to be looking at today in this video, but do not worry, I'm going to delve deep in it, so do make sure that you watch the rest of the video so you do not miss anything. So let us go deep in the symmetrical triangle. A symmetrical triangle implies that the market cannot decide whether to break up or down. Once the triangle is broken by the price, there may be a substantial move in the direction of the break. So a symmetrical triangle chart pattern represents a period of consolidation before the price is forced to break out or break down. Remember, we are looking at bilateral patterns which can break out to the upside or the downside. So a symmetrical triangle can break out in either up or down. That is why it is called a bilateral pattern. So a breakdown from the lower trend line marks the start of a new bearish trend, which in this case, if it serves as a reversal, while a breakout from the upper trend line indicates the start of a new bullish trend. In this case, we're talking about when it is a reversal, but remember, it can be a reversal or a continuation. So this is how it looks like when you have a breakout to the upside. This is your highs converging and your lows converging, and they keep on contracting until you have price breaking out at a certain point. This is when it breaks to the upside, and this is when it breaks to the downside. So how to trade the pattern? The pattern is traded mainly through breakouts, but depending on the size or the range of the pattern, short-term trades can be placed in range in line with the main trend. I went deep in this explanation and I explained how to look at the range and how to know which range is tradable in a triangle pattern in the previous video. For the sake of the length of this video, I will not cover it now, but you can check it out in the previous video, which is available in our channel and in the description. So the pattern creates a lot of false breakouts, and this is a highly common thing in triangle patterns. Let us look at how you can trade it. What I'm talking about when I talk about in range trading of the pattern, remember, like I explained in the previous video, that the waiting for a breakout, some of these patterns can take weeks, sometimes it can take months. It depends on a time frame that you actually use to trade the pattern. So if you like trading longer time frame type of strategies, then it will be a disadvantage for you to just wait for a breakout for this, because it can take long. So what you can do is rather do the range trading. The range trading, I'm just gonna go a little bit briefly and just show you what I'm talking about. You can see this is the formation of the pattern. Now this is an established already support, which shows you with 2 rejection candles that there's going to be a move to the upside, because there was a rejection here and another minor rejection here, and you can see a big rejection here with a hammer showing here with the red hammer right here, which is showing you that this is now a strong support, which the price is gonna move to the upside. So I can know that I can target this point. I explained why I am not going fully in, so please do check out the previous video because I am trying to save time. So this can be your targeted range within the pattern, and then you can put your stop loss around here and then make sure that you cover yourself with this right here. Remember, you will not yet have this line already. You will not have this line already. You will initially have this trend line that moves like this here, and then you will also have another line that moves like this here. So it will show you that there's a strong support moving up. So you will now take this position going up. You will have your stop loss here, and then because you don't know whether this range will be tested, I explained everything in the previous video. I'm just like going through it for in case if you're watching this for the first time. And then once you can see that this line here, remember we covered in the previous videos that a support or a resistance is a region. It is not simply a line. So you can see there is a strong region here which has a possibility of being a resistance. Then that candle here will show you that there is another move to the downside. Then you can target your, I made a little bit of mistake here with this one here. Let me just do this and just do this here. So you can target this point right here. You can target this point right here, and then you can set your stop loss around this zone right here, and the same applies to this here. This is exactly the same when you talk about in range trading or range trading. The rules and the strategy is exactly the same when you look at your flag patterns, when you look at your pennants, the in range trading of it, and when you're looking at your rectangles or trading channels, which we covered in this series already. Or you can wait for the breakout. What I meant by the statement here is, you see there was 1, 2, 3 opportunities to trade. As you can see here, there was only one opportunity that you'd wait for that comes out with a breakout and a retest, you know, and then there is a couple of opportunities inside the pattern. You know, inside the pattern. I covered that in the previous video, so please do make sure you check out our previous videos. If you just joined this series right now, I urge you to check all the other videos. They are in the description. It will give you a lot of information so you can be up to speed and in par with what we are doing right now. So that's how you would trade it, and that is the disadvantage or the advantage of trading in range as opposed to just waiting for one breakout. But let us look at the breakout in the next slide. So this is your symmetrical triangle. You can see here is your highs, they are sloping, and then you have your lows here also, which are converging. Your highs are converging, and then your lows are also converging, which is forming your lower highs, and then you have your higher lows this side. And then how would you trade this here? Simple breakout strategy. Basically this is a breakout strategy. You can see in this point right here that you have a lighter resistance, and then you have a strong support right here, which was a previous resistance. It was broken, it became support here. This is a daily chart right now that you're looking at, and then it was, you know, if you're looking at it in 1 hour or 4 hourly, you can see the support and you know, your resistance that they stretch for some time, and and then you have the support here established, and then it was broken, then it became resistance. So already you can see this zone is a very important zone. So going to my breakout, what I will do, or I will look at, is I would wait for the zone to be broken, and then after that I will wait for the candle to break the zone, close above the zone, and then wait to see if there's going to be a retest. Sometimes in this pattern you will not find a retest, but the best way is to look at the zone being broken and a confirmation that that zone is broken. As you can clearly see here that this zone is broken. Now this is now your support, which means the next move will be to the upside. Your next move will be to the upside, so it will make it easy for me. And then when you see your exit, I explained previously that most chart patterns, they will give you a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 ratio. Yes, it can move to 1-to-3 ratio, but most of the time it will give you 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. If you want to continue, you can trail stop after maybe your 1-to-1, and then you trail stop going to 1-to-2 or 1-to-3. That is your risk reward ratio. So your stop loss, it's better to set it at the strongest support. If there is a breakout to the upside, the strongest support not being this one, it being this one here. So in case this is a retest, you are still safe. As you can see, I did not enter right here after this candle because there's a possibility of a retest. I explained on the previous triangles that you experience a lot of false breakout in these patterns. That is why you have to be absolutely sure and use your candlestick understanding, and then also use your breakout strategy understanding for you to better trade a breakout in a currency pair or your CFDs triangle pattern. So this shows us our entry. You can clearly see that this is here the same resistance support, and it was broken here. After this candle, it shows that it was broken and then it became support, and then you have your move to the upside. If you would have put a 1-to-1 a trail stop, you would have been profitable fully, but sometimes this rejection candles or these spikes can happen here and you can be stopped out. So the best way is to just apply risk reward management in all your trades to make sure that you remain profitable. Let us just look at the recap of this pattern. So the symmetrical triangle is a sign that the market is about to break out. It is actually a consolidation or a ranging market. So you can enter on the first pullback or retest of the symmetrical triangle as we just demonstrated on the previous video. You can maximize your profit by using a trailing stop loss or the price projection technique, which is what I was explaining right now. So the symmetrical triangle trading strategy is one of the most proficient ways to trade consolidations because the triangle pattern generally occurs during ranging period. This goes to the point that I was making, that you can do range trading, but you have to understand that you cannot do range trading within a triangle pattern in all triangles. It depends on market conditions, and you have to know which triangle you can trade within the range. So price can break out in any direction, which is why it is a bilateral pattern. Therefore, make sure that you wait for a breakout first and then trade on the pullback. That is when you are doing a breakout trading in a symmetrical triangle, and they are often subject to fake outs or false breakouts. So waiting for a retracement to enter the trade or a confirmation is the most safest entry, and never forget to apply your risk management. So symmetrical triangles can form within a small time frame or even a larger time frame. Therefore, make sure that if you trade symmetrical triangles, to check on the larger time frame symmetrical triangles they may have formed in. Symmetrical triangles breakouts can find more validity when accompanied by supporting candlestick price action patterns. So this brings us to a wonderful conclusion of our wonderful series that we did. We had, I believe, 6 or 7 videos. I'm not sure if it is our 6th or a 7th video of the whole entire forex pattern strategy that we covered. Do make sure that you check out those, and if you like this video, if you enjoyed the series, please do give us a thumbs up. It helps us a lot with the algorithm. There is a way that you can support this channel, or you can simply subscribe, so whenever that we cover each and everything regarding currency markets, that you can be notified and do find us. Don't forget that every Sunday we do analyze the market live on this channel, and every Tuesday we do drop stuff like this, which is our educational material, and every Thursday we drop our psychological aspect or emotional intelligence pertaining the market. So we are always dropping some educational stuff in this channel. It is a plus for you to hit us with a like or even subscribe to this channel so you do not miss out on what we are covering. What do we do in currency market execution? Please do not forget to check us out on our website, so you can also check out, and by the way, we do have a free course that is placed on our website, so do check out our website. I'm going to include the link in the description. You can go do our free forex basic course. Actually, it will help you a lot. It will give you fundamental knowledge regarding currency trading, and we do have paid courses, of course, that you can take, which are going a step higher. But even the free basic course can help you, but if you want to go advanced and want to learn and understand more in deeper understanding, you can also go through our paid courses. We do also have signals. If you say, you know what, my schedule is too busy, I don't want to go and have to learn everything to do with forex, I just want to make money, I just want to be guided, or I simply just want to trade with you guys, where we basically place trades and let you know, and you basically are copying our trades. We have different packages that you can choose from that are now appearing on the screen, so do make use of it. Everything that pertaining to this is in our website, or you can please check out our social media handles, which are above me right now. You can see we are available on Instagram as Currency Market Execution, or in Facebook as Currency Market Execution. Also on Telegram, we do have a free channel where you can, it is our public channel where you can join and get free signals, you can get free materials, and you can just be part of the community. So do make sure you check us out on our social media handles, also on our website, and also inbox us in Telegram. The link is in the description. And I announced on a previous video that we have a wonderful robot, or a autonomous trading robot, which means it is trading for you. It is basically taking all our team and combining them into one, and we place them inside your computer to basically trade for you. It trades 24/7. I will give more details as we continue. It is going to be out very soon, and just check out our website. Make sure, another reason for you to subscribe to this channel, so you can get updates about it. It is doing very well pertaining the testing. We took it through the forward testing. It has done extremely beautiful. I said in the previous video that I was so excited that I literally spent the whole night. I could not sleep because I was just so excited. I was just thinking about it, on how we came. It's a story of how we came to do that robot. By the way, I have experience in coding, and I'm also a trader, so I combined the two, and then I coded the robot myself. I coded the robot myself, so you best believe that you'll be getting a best value, because it is coded by a trader. So it is doing wonders. I will release more info as or when the time is suitable. My name is Mohamud. I also go by the name Proqnosiz. It is always wonderful to have you. If you still did not subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. Do not forget the notification bell. It is extremely hot, and I think I am sweating. It is hot. It has been very hot the previous couple of days, and I do wish and hope that it rains so that this heat can just give us a break. I don't know, maybe it is because of our robot. It is changing the weather, because it is something that is brilliant, that is about to hit the market. Otherwise, my name is Mohamud, and you are still watching Currency Market Execution. Please do make sure that you check the upcoming videos, because you need them. Our next series will be dropping soon, and I believe the series, okay, let me just keep it as a surprise. You just see when the video drop of our next series. Do not forget, every Sunday we do drop our video where we trade the market, where we basically do pre-market analysis for free right here on the channel. We basically look at Nasdaq, we look at gold, we look at currency pairs, and then we just give you a full scope of what to expect on the market. We do that every Sunday night, and then we also on Tuesday we drop educational videos, and on Thursday we drop educational videos pertaining to psychological intelligence or emotional intelligence pertaining trading the market. So do make sure you subscribe to this video because you need to. Do make sure you also check out the upcoming videos. It is always wonderful to have you. My name is Proqnosiz and I am meeting you in the next video.